In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify domain and set up DKIM in Freshsales. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to expect so your emails are authenticated and land in inboxes more reliably. First, make sure you're signed into your Freshsales, also known as Freshworks, account with admin permissions. You need admin access because domain ownership and authentication affect your whole organization's email. If you're not an admin, ask an administrator to follow along or grant you the appropriate rights. Once you're in, head to Admin Settings. Depending on your layout, look for Email or a similar section. There, you'll find Domain Verification. Some accounts may label it slightly differently, but it will be under the email or domain-related settings. If you're unsure, use the settings search bar and type Domain to jump straight to the correct page. On the Domain Verification page, click Add Domain. Enter the domain you send email from, such as example.com. Don't include HTTP or HTTPS, and avoid extra spaces or special characters. If you use a subdomain for sending, like mail.example.com, enter that exact subdomain instead. Taking a moment to type this accurately helps you avoid verification issues later. After you add your domain, Freshsales will present on-screen guidance to complete verification and set up DKIM. This is normal and part of the process. You'll see values generated for your domain. These are the unique records Freshsales uses to verify ownership and sign your messages. Carefully review what's shown on the screen and follow the prompts exactly as they appear in your account. The interface will clearly indicate what is required and when to proceed. Keep in mind that changes related to domain verification and DKIM can take time to reflect. If you see a pending status, that's okay. Propagation can vary, and it's common for verification to complete a little later. You can leave the page and return to check the status, or use any refresh or verify buttons provided. If you can't locate domain verification, double-check that you're in the correct Freshsales account and that you're an admin. If the domain you added isn't the one you actually send from, return to Add Domain and enter the correct one. And if you're collaborating with an IT team, share only the necessary information displayed on the Freshsales screen and keep it secure. That's it. Log in as an admin, go to Admin Settings and Domain Verification, then click Add Domain and enter your domain. From there, simply follow the on-screen instructions in Freshsales to complete verification and DKIM setup, and you'll be on your way to better email deliverability.